So when we decided to come here, everything's happening and we're over here. And business, so we kept all our employees on, so our money's just draining away. We're getting in trouble here, and we're trying to set up something over here as well, and we're just struggling. It was really, really tough. And we just had to keep plodding along, but we used to talk it to each other, and I always try to get a little spiritual or a little philosophical, because I see these parts in our lives, and we used to feel that we had this cloak over us going, it's okay, keep going, we're looking after you, whatever that was, and we felt phenomenal. And when we got on top of it, we felt everything's good. We sort of remember talking to each other and saying, we don't feel that anymore, but we didn't need it anymore. And so we've had these times in our life which it's like guides or God or whatever is saying, keep going, it's tough, but you'll get through it. So our worst days became our best days. Like we'd have our best contract or our best opportunities, and you just had to keep plowing through. And we really have never taken our foot off the pedal in 25 years.